Hello again. We are here at GPC Summit. Together with me is Chris Hay, Communications and Marketing Manager, ZoomSphere. Hello.
Hi, Gabriella. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. It's a great event. It's a beautiful space. Everyone's happy and enjoying it, so it's good to be here.
Chris, first of all, can you tell our community a little bit more about ZoomSphere and what it brings to the table as a social media monitoring and publishing tool?
Sure. ZoomSphere is a all-in-one platform for publishing, monitoring, measuring, all sorts of things that you'll need to do in and around social media. So we like to think of ourselves as a one-stop shop for everything you would need for your social media. It also brings, I think, to the table really great collaboration features and great ability to segment your work so that you can really track your data and measure where the results are coming from and where you need to improve.
Okay. What is the most successful form of content this year? We speak a lot about video content marketing. What do you think about it?
I think it has to be video. It has to be video. It has to be short. And it has to be really engaging and really interesting. This is the one thing we learned at ZoomSphere this year, and that's that if you're going to make video for Facebook, you have to be able to watch it when you can't hear it at all. So it's really important to put captions in your videos. And I also think with a lot of video content, it almost needs to be a trailer for your bigger brand or your bigger product offering. You know, it needs to be that really good hook to get people interested, so then they'll click and go to your website or look at your product.
Chris, what do you think about the hashtag craziness? I mean, is this an efficient way to increase the online branding of a company?
I think it is on Instagram for sure. I think hashtags are vital on Instagram. Everywhere else, I'm not super passionate about it. I think in Twitter it's easy to get lost in hashtags because you have 140 characters and you're going to lose your message if you have too many hashtags or you worry too much about hashtags. Facebook, they're great for searching, but again, they're not used a lot. So for me, it's Instagram for hashtags, and especially to grow your brand on Instagram, it's the only way to go.
But how can you improve the brand perception of a company through social media?
I think consistency is the key. You've got to be consistent with your posting, consistent with your messages, and you have to really deliver quality, interesting content, and that's the key.
Okay. We used to say that marketing and PR should work together, but now it seems that things have changed, and we say that marketing and IT departments should play nice together. How does this work at your company?
I think at ZoomSphere it works exactly as you said, where marketing and IT intrinsically interact on a daily basis. The best marketing we have for ZoomSphere is the tool itself. We know that if we show people the tool, they'll get excited about their social media, they'll get excited about the tool and what it can deliver for them in terms of results and measuring what they're currently doing. So our tool is our best marketing arm, if you like. So to have a great tool, we need a great IT department that's going to put in some great features that are relevant to a wide range of enterprises and agencies. And they also need to be able to adapt to exactly what our clients want to nice and quickly.
You launched ZoomSphere in Romania at the end of 2015. Were there any Romanian brands that you thought used social media in a smart way? And if so, any notable players that you would like to tell us about?
Sure. I mean, two of our biggest clients here in Romania are Bitdefender and F64, and we're really proud to have them on board. And they do great social media. They're doing everything right. To summarize in a couple of points, what I think they're doing right is they really know their audience well. They target their demographic really well. Everything they do is aimed squarely there. So it's all really interesting. For example, F64, they do great photographs, as they should. They have great product information, as they should. And they also have some really interesting articles that if you're interested in photography, you will click. So, you know, these are the sort of the three main types of content they do, and it works for them. It works really well. And Bitdefender, huge global brand, and they do great things as well. Because they have such a committed community with Bitdefender, they actually get the luxury of making longer videos, you know, about internet security that people are really interested in and can learn a lot from. So I think they know their audience as well, and all their content is targeted exactly where it needs to be.
Just for closing, tell us how do you find GPC Summit and if you would recommend this event to other e-commerce specialists?
Absolutely. It's my first time here, and I know it's been going for 11 years, so it has a great heritage. I know the work that goes into it behind the scenes is amazing, and you can just see from the people wandering around and the conversations that people are having that they're getting a lot out of it, and that's the most important thing for a conference. You want happy people that are walking away knowing more than when they walked in.
So happy to hear that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks, Gabriella.